Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Coco and Mom, and today I am here with another healthy yet exotic recipe of vegan cannellonis. You all must have tried varieties of pasta, but the one which I am going to show you today are cigar shaped stuffed pastas known as cannelloni Florentine. We will be using lasagna sheets to make this pasta. So let's get started.
Let's start with making our red chunky sauce, for which I have heated some olive oil in a pan, adding some garlic to it, chopped green chilies, and grating some ginger to it. Now we add some chopped onion with a pinch of salt in it. Now goes in our finely chopped tomatoes, which I have churned. I have taken around 4 to 5 tomatoes and churned them into fine chunks just like this. You may even chop them into fine pieces. Remember not to use tomato puree, as this is a chunky tomato sauce and we want some pieces of tomato coming in our mouth. Let's add all the dry spices like oregano, thyme, some chili paprika, garlic salt, or you may even use regular salt. I have these fresh basil leaves which I am adding, but in case you don't have fresh ones, you can use the dried basil also. A pinch of sugar, and goes in a generous amount of ketchup. You can add sweet ketchup or chili ketchup as per your liking and mix it well. Let the sauce cook for around 5 to 7 minutes and your chunky red sauce is ready. Let's make our white sauce, for which I am heating some coconut oil in a pan and adding to it equal amount of whole wheat flour. You can even use butter instead of coconut oil and refined flour instead of the whole wheat flour for an enhanced taste. Now goes in some crushed garlic cloves. Now goes in about 2 cups of soya milk into this. You can use any milk of your choice, be it almond milk or even regular plain milk. Keep stirring it, otherwise the mixture will become lumpy. Now boil this for another 5 minutes and you will get desired consistency.
So these are the lasagna sheets which I'll be using for my cannelloni, and this is the brand which I'm going to use for this. You can use any brand of your choice.
Let's boil the lasagna sheets, for which I have this boiling water, and we put around 3 to 4 sheets at a time. Add some oil to it to avoid the sheets sticking to each other and let it cook for around 12 to 15 minutes. We check the sheets and now the sheets are done. It's just like boiling of the pasta. Let's start with blanching our spinach, for which I am adding a bunch of spinach in hot boiling water with a pinch of salt in it. Let it cook for around 5 minutes. Now we check the spinach and put it in cold water, and our blanched spinach is ready. Let's make the filling for our cannelloni, for which I have taken this blanched spinach in my mixer jar, adding some crushed tofu pieces to it. You may even add some cottage cheese or paneer here. Now goes in some garlic, salt and pepper to it, and we churn this to a smooth paste. The consistency of this paste should be just like this. So I have taken this piping bag and filled in my creamy spinach paste into it, which we just prepared. Now I'm cutting the pointed nozzle just like this. I have lined my lasagna sheets, dropping some filling into it, and roll the lasagna sheets tightly just like this, and our cigar shaped stuffed cannellonis are ready. Alternatively, you can also get cigar shaped cannellonis from market and you can just fill in the same filling. Fill the filling even at the edges so that the cannellonis are filled with stuffing evenly all across. I've taken an oven-safe dish and adding generous amount of chunky red sauce into it. I'm layering my cannellonis on the sauce just like this and now covering it with generous amount of white sauce all over it. Now goes in another layer of red sauce on it, tearing in some fresh basil leaves here, which is going to take your dish to another level, and topping it with some vegan cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice, and now this goes in a preheated oven at 180 degree for about 15 to 20 minutes. I've also put a couple of cannellonis in a pan with both the sauces and they came out really well. In case you don't have oven, you can also make them in a pan just like this. The cannellonis are out of the oven and look at the gorgeous color. We just take them out, drizzle some extra sauce on top, and our cannellonis are ready for eating.
So friends, as you all saw, I have shown you the chunky red sauce, our white sauce and the stuffed cannelloni shells. In case you do not wish to use both the sauces, you can use any one of them. I'm sure you're going to get awe with this recipe as it's so delicious, melts in your mouth, the creaminess, the texture, everything is absolutely great about this recipe. So do give this recipe a try and don't forget to share your pictures on my Insta handle and please subscribe to my YouTube channel Coco and Mom. See you next time guys.